Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about Greek mythology. My favorite god was Hades. He's the god of death and riches, and as I believe, the Grim Reaper. So, he was the brother of Zeus and Poseidon, and was the unluckiest one of them. He got the underworld after their father died. Well, not the most joyful inheritance in history. So, maybe because of this trauma, he had to literally steal his wife. Yeah, literally. So, Persephone was young and beautiful. He loved her, but she was not happy. I don't know why. Maybe a little like Grim Reaper. Her mother was furious, but they finally agreed that 3 months a year, Persephone would live with her husband in the underworld. And 9 months a year, she would live with her mother in the above world. So that's how Keeps explain the winter. Persephone is absent and everything was like the underworld. The structure of the underworld was quite lovely. There was the Styx River, a border between life and death. So, the underworld was divided into two parts: Elysium, the grandfather of paradise, and the place for kickbacks, and Tartarus, a place for the torture of lawbreakers. So, if you want to visit the ancient paradise, still being alive, you should go to Paris. Da 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 da. But I was not free of charge. To pay for this Titanic cruise, but without the iceberg, they stuck a coin under the dead man's tongue. My coin doesn't fit, so I'll just eat it.